Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad supports virtualization and has 30 plus GB free. This avoids mid-install failures. Once done, secure a Windows ARM ISO and a valid product key, because activation matters later. Make sure you install a virtualization tool like Parallels or UTM, or plan to use remote desktop if you prefer streaming Windows from a PC. Now plug into power. Enable enough RAM/storage allocation permissions, and prepare a reliable Wi-Fi connection before moving to You create a new virtual machine in Parallels or UTM and select ARM as the architecture. Assign 2 4 CPU cores and 4 6 GB RAM so performance is usable. Then attach the Windows ARM ISO and set a virtual disk of 40 plus GB. Enable networking and shared folder access if you want file exchange. Once you start the VM, follow the Windows installer. Partition the virtual disk. Proceed through setup, and install guest tools or drivers when prompted to enable clipboard and networking. You finish by installing guest editions or Parallels tools so touch, keyboard, and clipboard work seamlessly. Then activate Windows with your product key and run Windows Update to pull drivers. Make sure display scaling matches your iPad and enable shared folders for easy file transfers. If apps feel sluggish, reduce VM resolution, close background apps, or increase RAM allocation. And remember, if local virtualization fails, use remote desktop to run Windows from a stronger PC. This single fallback often resolves hardware limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.